They must be knowing that how to find root x in this case. Those who have prepared themselves for MTSC, they must be knowing them that how to solve these kind of questions. Okay.
And by
We will.
rationalizing.
Sorry, rationalizing. No, no.
Yes.
No, 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 no. What we'll be trying to, we will try to write x as the square of something. So how we can write it as square of something whole square so that when we'll take under root
Ma'am,
of that
3 plus 2.
2 into, how we can write this? This 4 under root 5 can be written as 2ab. Actually, we want to write it in the some way anyhow as a square plus b square plus 2ab so that we can get a plus b whole square. And when we'll be doing under the root, this square will get cancelled with this. We want something like this, a plus b whole square. So how to? So it means very first we'll be working for 2 into a into b. So very first whatever is in the under root we'll be taking it as 2 into root 5. Now once you have to check, is the square of this plus its square, is it giving you this constant now? Because we'll be finding now a square plus b square. Its square means a square plus b square. Is it giving you now? Check it. 2 square is, square of 2
4.
is 4 and square of root 5 is
5.
5 and their sum is
20.
9. 9 times sum a square plus b square
Okay,
we want.
some ma'am.
And g. So it means this can be written as, we can rewrite it as 2 square plus under the root 5 square. Now, and this is 9 also. This is 4, this is 5. It means 9 we have broken like this and this we have broken like this. It means this is equal to 2 root 5 whole square. And now under the root x we want. Under the root x means under the root of this. Now this square cancels with under the root. Under root x is equal to 2 plus root 5. Now 1 upon under root x is equal to, because we want this also. Now 1 upon under the root x means 1 upon 2 plus root
We will
5.
rationalize.
Now we will rationalize root
मैम
5
इसका 2
minus
माइनस
2,
रूट 5
root
आएगा.
5 minus 2. See, root 5 is approximately 2.2 something. Therefore, we have taken 2 root 5 before 2. So now we'll be writing it as root 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 4. That is equal to root 5 minus 2. Absolutely right. Now we have to find the difference of these. Find the difference of these. Difference of these, under root x minus 1 upon under root x is equal to, under root x value is 2 plus root 5 minus the value of 1 by root x is equal to root 5 minus 2. And now this is equal to 2 plus root 5 minus root 5 plus 2. Therefore, its answer is equal to 4. Whether it is rational or irrational,
Rational.
rational. Therefore, the answer is
Rational.
rational.
मैम
Hanji.
why
Yes.
you have taken root 5 minus 2?
Hanji. Because we are taking it as positive number, beta. That's why I have taken. Otherwise, no need of that. See, root 5 is greater than root 4. Root 2, 4 value is equal to 2. It means
Yes.
root 5 is greater than 2. Actually, this is 2.2 something. This we know. Root 5. So it should be positive, na? Otherwise, it will get some problems in that. So we have taken positive value, root 5 minus 2. Any other doubt?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
have one.
Hanji?
ma'am, I have got the same answer but by different method.
There is no problem in that. Just send me the your solution in assignment.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I have not
Hanji hai
understood.
bacha. Yes, my
Ma'am,
son.
question 10.
Question
Ma'am, I
number 10.
good. Ma'am,
Okay, good question. Question number 10.
ma'am,
Hanji beta. Yes, my son.
ma'am, I have not understood this 14th question.
Okay, okay. I'm again considering it in whiteboard. Wait a minute. 14. 14th question is 9 plus 4 root 5. 9 plus 4 root 5. I'll be little slow. I know. I think the problem is speed. Otherwise, there is nothing difficult. And x is given to us as 9 plus 4 root 5. And you need to check it for under the root x minus 1 upon under the root x, whether it is a rational number or it is an irrational number. We need to check this. So we need to find very first the value of this, then only we can decide whether it is rational or irrational. What we'll be doing? Very first we'll be working for root x. So whenever under root is there, see, it's very difficult to see, observe this number under the root, then again under the root. So whenever this kind of situation comes in front of you, then what you have to do, you have to just think, can we make this internal part as the square of something so that it will get cancelled with under the root? It means can we are thinking in anyhow that can we write 9 plus 4 root 5 as a square plus b square plus 2ab, so that finally we can write it as a plus b whole square. For this we need to start with 2ab, means this under root part you have to start with. Now how we can write it as something we want as 2 into, and this under root 5 also cannot be further factorized. So what would be the next thing? Next thing is 2 only, so that it will become 4 root 5 only. Is it okay? 2 into root 5. Now this is 2, this is a, this is b. Now here is a square. A square means 4 and b square means 5. Now we are checking, still we are checking, is a square plus b square is 9, so that we can write it as a square plus b square and 2ab. Yes, it is absolutely right. It means we can rewrite it as root 5 square plus 2 square plus 2 times of root 5 into 2. This we have written as 9 plus 4 root 5 we have written like this. Now this can be collected as root 5. It means 9 plus 4 root 5 is equal to root 5 plus 2 whole square. Do you agree this much?
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस मेथड मैम जो दो टर्म में जो पहला टर्म होगा उसको हमें ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर की टर्म में लिखना है और
Yes.
जो दूसरा टर्म होगा उसको प्लस 2ab की फॉर्म
Yes,
में.
yes, 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 yes. Pehla term or second term you cannot say. Whatever is having irrational number with that, that you can consider as 2ab. If the statement they are writing like this, let us consider this type something or this type. So we cannot say first number. We should consider it as the number which is carrying under the root rational irrational part. That you have to consider as 2ab, because square, after doing square it is adjusted in this only. No? Squares are inside this, but 2ab single a 2 that are in this only, hidden somewhere in this. So now we can write under root x as, in place of 9 plus 4 root 5, we can write it as root 5 plus 2 whole square. Whole square will get cancelled with under the root. It means under root x is equal to, under the root x is equal to root 5 plus 2. Now we are supposed to find 1 upon under the root x. This is equal to 1 upon under the root 5 plus 2. But we need to rationalize it. While doing rationalize it, we'll be multiplying it by opposite sign. Now we'll be getting under the root, class 9 concept only we are using here. Now this is 5 under root 5 square minus 2 square, that is 4. And this is equal to root 5 minus 2 only, because it is divided by 1 also, root 5 minus 2. Now finally we are supposed to discuss with x minus 1 by, root x minus 1 by root x. It means we need to take root 5 plus 2 and then minus root 5 minus 2. And this is equal to 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2. Root 5 cancels with root 5 and its answer is 4. Now we have to just see whether it is rational or irrational. This belongs to the set of rational numbers, means the set of Q. It means its answer is rational. That's it from my side. Want to ask again? You may ask. Otherwise, we can proceed for next question.
Ma'am, you may proceed.
Ma'am, I have sent you my that the process which I have used on Telegram.
I'll see later on, but if that would be better, so I'll share in classroom also. Good effort. I have not seen. Later on, I'll see. Okay, beta. Now the question is question number 10. If HCF of this can be expressed in the form of this, find the value of y.
Ma'am, may I tell this question?
Anji, please. I'll be glad to know this.
Ma'am, first we will find HCF of 2, 1, 0 and 55 by
Very good.
that that lenum, and HCF will be 5.
Okay.
Now we will take 210 into 5 plus
Mhm.
55y is equals to 5,
Very good.
and then we'll solve it and answer will be minus 19. Y is
Very,
minus 19.
very good. Is it okay, beta? Anybody wants to ask anything about this? That is good. Should I write it? Handy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. Just see the statement so that I can use whiteboard also. 210 and 55. 210, 210, then 55. Very first, we'll try to find the HCF. HCF of these are, this is 2 into 3 into 7. So its factors are, this is equal to, and 10 into also, 2 into 5 somewhere, and 3 into 7 somewhere. Have you got how I found the factors?
Yes, ma'am.
10 and 21. This way I have written. Now is 55. 55 can be written as 5 into 11. Therefore, their HCF is equal to, five. Now the question is, we are supposed to find the value of y such that 5 is equal to, let's go to the screen, 210 into 5, 55 into dash. 210 into 5 plus 55 into dash means y. Now we are supposed to find the value of y. So see what we
Ma'am,
can do, Hanji. Hello.
why this is equal to 5?
Okay, very good. Let's see the question. What is the question? If HCF of this and this is expressible in the form of, their HCF is equal to this. This is given to us only. So
Yes, ma'am.
HCF we found with the help of calculation. Let's see this way. There is one more way also that I'll introduce later on. By using Euclid division lemma also, algorithm also. One of the ways that also. That is not in your syllabus, that's why I'm not introducing this. Okay. 210 into 5 plus 55 into y. So, can we find the value of y now? What I am doing, I am taking 5 common because 5 is here also and here also. So 210 plus 11y. 5 cancels with 5. Now 1 is left here and 210 plus 11y. When it will go here, we will be getting 1 minus 210 is equal to 11y, and 209 divided by 11 is equal to y, and y is equal to minus 90. I hope it's clear. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Handy.
Yes, sir.
Any other thing you want to ask?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
starting questions 1, 2, and 3.
ma'am, in this question, ma'am, by
Hanji, ask Pata.
ma'am, in this question, how that 4 is come to
Which
0911.
which 4, Pata? Where is 4? I'm not able to take.
Next, ma'am, here 209
This
divided
is
by.
y, beta y, sorry, y. This is y, same y.
Okay, ma'am.
This is
Ma'am, which is
y.
the alternative method?
Okay. with the help of division algorithm, Euclid division algorithm.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in that time we have to write every time remainder is equal to something. Okay, let's try that also. 210 is equal to. How to find the HCF with the help of Euclid division algorithm of these two numbers? Hanji,
Ma'am,
please. Hanji,
210 is equals to 55 into 3 plus 45.
plus 45. Absolutely right. Now,
55 equals to
55 is
45 into
equals
1.
Equals
to
to 45
Into 1
45
plus
into 1
10.
plus 10.
45
hmm,
equals to 10 into 4 plus 5.
very good.
10 equals
Now,
to 5 into 2 equals to 0.
5 into
mhm,
2 plus 0.
very
Now
good.
5 is the highest common factor.
Very good. Very nice. Now, what will be doing? Now, we'll be going in the backward direction. Let's see how. You have to write this 5 very first. 5 is equal to, how you have to write? 45 minus 10 into 4. Is it okay? This remainder you have to write in the form of 45 minus 10 into 4. Can I write it like this? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
From this
Yes,
step,
ma'am.
I have written this statement. Now again, this you have to write remainder. Now wherever you are looking for 10, you have to replace it by. Now it is 45 minus 10 you have to replace by 55 minus 45 into 1 into 4. Is it okay?
I'm not able to understand that
Okay.
step.
Nothing else I have done. I am rewriting it. I had told you in the starting also, every time we'll be writing remainder. We'll be we'll be using remainder every time. So here we have taken 5. Remainder was this. This is 0. This has given you HCF. Now we'll be starting with this 5. This 5 is equal to 45 minus 10 into 4. First step. Now from the second step, remainder was 10. Is it okay? This was there, na? This 10 was there. Now this remainder, how we can write it as, just with the help of this equation, I can write it this 10 as 55 minus 45 into 1. No doubt 10 can be written in any of the form, but we are writing with the help of this equation only. 10 is equal to 55 minus 45 into 1. Can I? Now
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to just put it here only. In place of 10, we are writing 55 minus 45 into 1. Now see, 45 as it is minus 4 times of 55 plus 4 times of 45. Is it so? Just I opened the bracket. You are not supposed to solve it. You just need to rewrite it. This is 45 into 5 because it is 5 times. 1 times here and 4 times here. Minus 55 into 4. No need to solve. Next, anybody can tell what would be the work? What would be the work? Now we'll be writing 45. How we can write 45? From this equation we can write 45 is equal to 210 minus 55 into 3. Now this 45 will be writing it as 210 minus 55 into 3 into 5 minus 55 into 4. Now this is equal to 210 into 5 minus 55 into 15 minus 55 into 4. Now this can be rewritten as 210 into 5. No need to calculate. Now minus 55 into 90. And this we can rewrite as 210 into 5 plus 55 into minus 90. And if you are going to equate these two equations, you'll be getting the value of y as equal to minus 90. This is another way. Okay, now maybe this is little bit confusing for you that how to write all these things and to which you need to solve, because here we solved 4 and 4, this 1 and 4. Rest I told you not to solve. To what to solve and what not to solve. 15 and 4 we solved, rest we don't solve. Actually, whatever is here, na, we are not supposed to. Whatever we are going to take it as new reminder that we are not supposed to solve. Because at last we want these things in our answer. That is 210 should be there as well as 55 should be there. And this we have done with the help of 45, 10 and 5. Okay, I'll give you two more questions related to this so that you'll be clear with this method. Otherwise, you can go with this method also. And this method comes in graduation. If you are interested, you can ask for more questions. We can work on that also. Yes, next problem.
Ma'am, question 11.
Question number 11.
Ma'am, question number 7.
Question number 7 also. Okay. This you should try yourself once with the help of that only. 9 plus 4 root 5. That is like that only. We'll be discussing
Ma'am,
later on this. Once try yourself. Hanji.
ma'am,
Hanji beta. Yes, my
ma'am,
son.
in question 9, we have to that first separately that prove root 3 and root 2
No, 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 no,
irrational.
no, 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 no. Okay, let's very first work with the. I think time of
Ma'am,
class is
time is
over.
over.
Hanji beta,
Yes,
Hanji.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. See you next time.